Okay, so I was flying last week, and I noticed that the Phantom seemed like it was making more noise than usual. When I turned it on, it's the whirring sound. And I also noticed that if I pressed on this down here, the shell it kind of helped a little bit, so probably I'll see if I can tighten these little screws that hold it in place and see what the outcome is. Okay, so what I did is I tightened the little Allen wrench screws on the case, and it made a huge difference. So I'm hoping that the audio on the before and after will illustrate that, but it's back to pretty much sounding normal, and I went ahead and tightened these guys on the side as well as the four on the bottom, and then I calibrated the IMU and the gimbal, and pretty much it flies great now.